If you're getting the error, an unexpected error is keeping you from copying the file. With error code 0x80040005, while extracting a large zip or game file on your Windows PC, this quick fix will help. First, close the extraction window. Instead of using Windows File Explorer, install WinRAR or 7-zip. Both are free, and you'll find the download links in the video description. Install the software and restart your computer. Now, go back to your zip file. Right-click it, choose WinRAR or 7-zip, then select Extract to or Extract here. Choose the folder where you want to extract the files and click OK. The extraction should now complete without the 0x80040005 error. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Windows and gaming fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.